नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम व इन्नका लअला खुलुक़िन अज़ीम सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। My respected teachers, honorable guests and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I would like to present my viewpoints on the topic description of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and for this would the time you hear what your prophet looked like. I saw a man of striking appearance, ظاهر الوزاء, أبلج الوجه, radiant face, حسن الخلق, beautifully created, ولم تعبه الثجلة, his belly wasn't protruding, ولم تضربه السعلة, nor was his head disproportionate and small, وصيم قصيم, proportionate and delicate, finely made, a specimen of a creation, وفي عينيه دعج, and in his eyes there was a contrast. The dark was immensely dark, the white was excessively white. وفي أشفاره وطف, and his eyelashes were long. وفي صوته سحل, and in his voice there was a natural echo. وفي عنقه سطح, and his neck was elegantly long. وفي لحيته كثافة, and his beard was full and thick. أزج أقرن, his eyebrows were arched, but they were not joined, it was separated. In Samatafa alayhi al-waqar, and when he was silent, dignity covered him. In takallama samahu wa alahu al-baha, and when he used to speak, it was audible, clear, almost commanding and overtaking. Ajmal al-nas wa abhahum min ba'id, from afar, the most of striking and outstanding in appearance. Ajmaluhum wa ahsanuhum min qareeb, and when he came near, the best of them and the handsome of them in closeness. Hulwul mantiq, such an exalted and sweet level of logic, like when he used to speak, it was so coherently logical, it is smooth and easy to understand. Faslun wala nazrun wala hazrun, he was to the point, not excessive, not too short. Ka'anna mantiqahu kharazatu nasmi yatahaddanna, his logic, his utterance, his words were like jewels coming out of a necklace, calculated, polished, one after the other, it would flow up magically. Raba'atun, he was medium in height, your eyes didn't have to strain to look up at him, nor was he tedious to look down at him, he was comfortable sight to look at. Lahu rufaqa yahuffuna bihi, he had friends, the people they were with him, they were working around him to try to serve and protect him. In qala sami'u liqawlihi, and when he used to speak something, they used to hearken what he used to speak. In amara tabadaru ila amrihi, and when he used to command, they used to complete to fulfill this command. This is Muhammad Rasulullah. This is Muhammad Rasulullah. Anas ibn Malik says, I came out to the full moon night, it was a full moon night, and I looked at the moon, and it's an awesome sight. It is smooth, it is clear, it is gentle, it is radiant. So he says, I came out to the full moon night, and I looked at the moon, and it's an awesome sight, and I saw it beautiful, handsome. So he says, let me go see if that moon is more handsome or my prophet is more handsome. Let me go see if that moon is more beautiful or my prophet is more beautiful. So he says, I went and I saw him standing afar. So I looked at his face and I looked at the moon. So I looked at his face and I looked at the moon. So I looked at his face and I looked at the moon. And he says, Wallahi, my prophet was more handsome than the moon in its entirety. That is just the look of your Rasul. Thanks for giving your attention. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.